If you would like to add some spice to your holiday cooking, might I suggest microgreens? Microgreens are easy peasy. As with all things horticulture, you can travel deep into complicated town or you can keep it simple. You know me, I keep it simple. With just a few simple supplies, you can have fresh microgreens to spice up your cooking year-round. You can grow microgreens in a super bright window or, like me, with an inexpensive utility light and a LED grow bulb. I love those LEDs because they stay cool. You must, however, situate that bulb right above your microgreens. If it's too tall, you will not have good results. My bulbs usually are about 10 to 12 inches above my microgreen tray. If you want your microgreens to stretch and be tall, raise the bulb a little. For short, more chunky microgreens, keep the bulb lower to the tray. You'll need something to grow them in, and options range from grow trays to deli cups. I personally like the deli cups. You can reuse them and they're a very manageable size. You have many options when it comes to choosing a growing medium. You can use anything from auger to a high-quality potting medium. Just make sure it's all vegetative, organic material, no topsoil, no sand. I use cellulose grow mats. This soil-less option was the right one for me because it makes harvesting them much easier. There's no soil to wash off. There are so many options for microgreens. I currently grow a spicy salad mix, a mild salad mix, radishes, basil, and peas. If you're just getting started, the mild salad mix is a quick, easy one and it goes well with most recipes. Before you sprinkle your seeds on the seed mat or soil, make sure the seed mat is wet by misting it. Next, sprinkle the seeds on the mat. Right here I have some radish seed. I'm just gently going to sprinkle these on the mat. If it looks like poppy seeds on top of a bagel, you've pretty much done it right. After you sow, check your seeds daily. They should never get dry. Keep a pump-up mister and spray them as often as they require. Great news! You're going to eat this quickly, like within 7 days, so fertilizer is not necessary. You will eat these before they even produce any true leaves, so they have all the nutrients they need. Once your microgreens are ready, simply cut them off and start the next crop with a clean container and a new grow mat. Microgreens are fun, easy, and your setup does not have to break the bank. If you would like to learn more, please visit my blog. This has been Molly, your rebel horticulturist, reminding you to learn the rules well so you know which ones to break.